Y'all want me to restart or y'all want to work with it? Let me know. Y'all good? Okay. If y'all good, I'm good. Okay, let's get into it. Bum ba da dum ba dum bow bow bow. Okay, now I'm squeezing too close. Let me squeeze lower. I was trying to get y'all a zoomed in view. Take me through there, take me through there. This ain't got no cans in it. Just straight grit. Let's start on the blue side. So what y'all do today? Me, I tried to sit around and wait for my phone to get cut back on, which it never did. I think it's just now reactivating properly. And then it kept going in and out of service, but it wouldn't let me make no call. Hey, hey, Double K. Double K, you undefeated right now. Baby, I showed him the recap of that live. I got some purple liquids available. $14 worth of purple liquids available. That purple didn't do nothing. Y'all want to put more? The blue is so good. Everybody be so mad at Tidy Bow. And look at this. A work of art. So he gonna ban me. I'm screaming. I got a little bit of other liquids out there if y'all want to start fresh and do another overload. But all we got is Comet. Oh no, I got a box of Gain out there. I got 4 bags of Blanca. I got some Lirio. Oh, I forgot I got a little one too. I think the mix look better on this side. Hold on. I'm about to show you. It's still sitting on my counter. I can't move it. It's too heavy. I gotta get some cans to can it up in. Girl, that will not fit in here. Mix it all. That's enough recycled powder for a pool. Hey girl, y'all, if y'all not following my girl that's pinned on the screen, go and follow her. When I tell y'all, we cut up in her live so bad last night, and she was in there just vibing and singing. It was a good time, and it was her first live. All of this not gonna fit in one sink. That's to the brim. Hey, Lori, babe. That's as full as this bad boy gonna go. Yes. By show of hands, who didn't like Tidy Bow but like it now? Show of hands. Who didn't like Tidy Bow but like it now? Raise your hand in the chat. See if we want anybody over. Yes. Let's go. Okay, we got a couple people that came to the other side. Now, what did we learn today, class? Tidy Bowl is not that bad. It's about to be so good getting cleaned up. Nessa comes up with the best overload. I'm screaming. Y'all, Nessa been asking me to do this overload for like a month. And I was like, no, ain't nobody going to watch no Tidy Bow. Everybody hates Tidy Bow. She's like, please just do it. I'm like, all right, we just gonna go ahead and do the most hated overload. The most hated overload of Clean Talk history. I think it was a success. What do you think, friends? Like my girl Ashley be saying, what you think, class? The only reason this would not be good recycled is because of that aroma. Now, if I had a sifter machine like Ashley, that'd be a different story. I'm trying to be Demir with the talking. It's giving Demir tonight, chat. Yes. Oh, so I did talk too much. Got it. Noted. Nessa, when you don't be here, they be like, where's Nessa? I guess we a team. I need to change my page to Sammy and Nessa pace. Read the chat, dang. What the chat say? Sorry. My bad. Okay, what I miss? I'm reading now what I miss. Okay. All right, let's get this out my sink because it was fun, but now I gotta go. What powders do you have? I only got Comet. I only got Oh no, I got Roma. No, I don't.